Hello students, this video is for grade 8. Let us move the unit 2. From that we have to learn poem 2. The heading of the poem is Geography Lesson. Don't confuse, this is the title of the poem. Written by Johar Ghose. First we have to see the author description. Here Johar Ghose is a Pakistani American novelist, poet and essayist. He is resident of Texas. His works are primary magical realism, blending fantasy and horse realism also. Now we have to see the poem. So for the explanation, we have to see this poem into 3 headings. In these 3 headings, the author explained in a different heading. The first one is the city from the sky. Second one, logic of the geography. Third one, more sea than land. Finally, the mystery. So now first we have to see the first stanza, that is paragraph explanation. In the first stanza of this poem, the poet describes his city. He tells us how it appears from the window of an aeroplane. It is clear that the city developed just as it was necessary for the people. So what looked absurd on ground looked inevitable from the sky. Inevitable in the sense that cannot be avoided. Next heading is logic of geography. Now the plane rises to a height of 10,000 feet. The poet can see the logic of geography. He can see why the cities in the country have grown along the rivers. The valleys are populated for the same reason. It is land and water together that attracts the people. Now we have to move the third stanza's explanation. The heading is more sea than land. When the view is more sea than land. When the plane raises still higher, 6 miles up, the earth looks round. From that height it is clear that earth has more sea than land. Even though we know the water part is more than the land part in our earth. However, one question remains unanswered. It is difficult to understand why people hate and kill one another. Finally, the mystery. The mystery that it was easy to understand logic of geography from a height. However, it is very difficult to understand why humans hate one another. This is a remain mystery also. Mystery in the sense we can't understand. Impossible to understand. Now we have to move to the poetic device in this. Poetic device here, there is two things there. First one is imagery. So this is a new part, I think so. Already many things we have learned. Now this imagery is a literary device. It is consists of descriptive language that can function as a way for the reader to better imagine the world of piece of literature and also add symbolism to the work. Imagery draws on the 5 senses, namely the details of taste, touch, sight, smell and sound. In this poem, the third stanza, the last line before the line, walls across cities to kill. The walls across cities. This is the imagery lines. Then one more we have a poetic device, alliteration. Already everybody knows what is alliteration. Here the first stanza, first line, when the jet sprang into the sky. Here sprang into the sky is a alliteration. So you know what is alliteration. Remaining lines you have to try the alliteration for practice. Now go through the poem and do the worksheet. I give the solution and give the related pictures to understand. Thank you. Bye.